Yo, it's your personal trainer Matthias, and today we are starting with a core workout. It's just 4 minutes, easy peasy everyday workout routine. You get into your plank position to stay fit and healthy. Take a breath into the belly while holding those plank positions. This plank position, and we are going to transition into a side plank sooner or later, but stay here for a while. Maybe you can test a bit of an edge and challenge yourself, or hold the same amount of time like I do it. We'll stay here for another 10 breaths. And then slowly move one arm up and the right leg or the left leg, whichever you prefer, steps one small step forward. And stay here, side plank position. Try to keep the hips high and lift them up. Gaze follows the arm into the air, and remember your breath. Keep being in the present moment, and for all the intermediate fitness people who want to go a bit further, just take one leg and try to grab it. Touch your elbows with your knee and hold here. Inhale, exhale, downward facing dog. Switch to the other side. Gaze up. Strong core. Belly breath. And take it easy, stay here. Inhale. Exhale. If you want to go one step further, grab your leg, your feet, and hold. Exhale. Get into plank position. May you still want to raise your knee and feel some tension, or you get back into your plank position or downward facing dog. Last exercise. Jump through, cross-legged, and come into a boat pose, Navasana. Raise your legs, stay centered, and try to keep the balance. Even if you raise your legs higher, your feet higher, I'm losing it here. And get back if you lose the balance, that's okay. No stress, no worries. Take it easy and have fun. Enjoy time for your workout. Thanks for being with me. Have a good day.